Welcome to this FuseMix tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to operate all the settings available for any of your FuseMix instances. Let's begin by creating a new instance using one of the available templates. For this example, we'll use the WebSocket or ChatFlow template. Some models may require an API key from a third-party provider. In our case, we'll be using Claude, but you can also choose models like OpenAI, Hugging Face, DeepSeek, or any provider that fits your needs. Before proceeding, we'll need to enter an API key to ensure everything is working correctly. You can input the key directly into the configuration or use the instance variable section, which allows you to reuse the key easily across sessions. Just remember, API keys are issued by your model service provider. With the key set, we can now explore the instance settings panel. Click the gear icon to access some instance options. Here's what you'll find. Export as component. This allows you to embed your instance into other instances, enabling more complex workflows. Connect the lines. Choose between curved or straight lines for visual clarity. Reset stats. Clears real-time data such as messages per minute, active processes, and memory usage. Restart worker. Vital if a worker gets stuck or becomes unresponsive. Restarting ensures proper reinitialization. Clear unused components. Cleans up the canvas by removing components not currently in use. Recover from backup. In case of a crash, automatically saved backups allow you to restore your instance. Reset all. Completely clears the canvas and removes all nodes, giving you a fresh start. Next, let's look at some additional tools. The pause button halts execution, especially useful if your instance is triggered on a schedule or running in real time. The variables panel lets you define instance-specific variables. These are distinct from global variables and only apply to the current instance. Console log displays any errors the instance generates, with timestamps for easy troubleshooting. Nodes panel opens a list of all active nodes. From here, you can remove or configure them individually. Zoom in or out, useful for navigating large or complex workflows. Instance info provides the metadata and access details required to integrate this instance with external apps or services. Help panel offers quick guidance around the interface and explains key features. Now, let's head over to the canvas and look at how components work. To edit a model component, such as Claude, right-click anywhere on the component or click the small menu icon in the top left corner. This opens a context menu with settings specific to that component. Here, you can switch models or adjust input/output configurations. For multimodal agents, you can assign tools, documents, models, or other inputs. Just right-click the agent and select the options you need by checking the relevant boxes. Now that you understand the dashboard, control panel, and how to interact with components, let's do a quick test to see how our agent performs in the live chat window. And that's it. That's how you configure and operate your FuseMix AI instances.